Hi everybody, my name is Deb Reed. I'm the naturalist here with the Hunterdon County Parks. Today I am with Jake Cole and he's going to tell us all about his awesome truck. Jake, what are you driving?
My 2015 Mack dump truck.
So many buttons. Look at all these and all these knobs. What do some of these things do?
This is to raise the dump body, the back of the truck. That lifts it up and down. This does the tailgate, trips the tailgate, so it opens it so I can dump the stone. This is winter stuff. This is for the auger and the spinner for when they're in the winter time when we're salting the roads.
You attach a plow to this?
Yes, you can attach a plow on the front of the truck, and this is the controls for the plow right here. This lifts the plow, this angles the plow. There's also a wing plow that goes on the side of the truck, goes up and down, in and out, and extends further out with this one. Parking brakes, this is if you have a trailer on. That's for the trailer brake, and this is for the truck brake. Force your alignment for inside the cab. Windshield wipers, this is for your DEF system, which is an additive they put in the fuel now. Your heated mirrors, engine brake. Button here is for the tarp, which will require to tarp our loads when transporting any material up and down the road.
Can you show me what that looks like?
Sure.
Let's go check it out.
Here it goes.
So Jake, what is your favorite truck to drive?
Truck 59.
All right.